Hello students, you are once again welcome to easyclass.com. As you can see, today we are going to do letters. That means formal letters. Because in senior classes we get formal letters only. Before we start for an actual example, in this part we will be discussing about the format of writing a formal letter. Now as you can see, this is a format and this is all denoted by different boxes. Before commencing further, I would like to show you this particular margin here. This margin is a line that we should adhere to. Means this is very important according to the latest format that we have to keep to this line. Everything should be written just from this line only. Now let me give you different boxes as they are denoting. Box number 1, as you can see here, you will write the address of the writer. Means person who is writing will write his or her address here in this box. I have made the boxes only to denote. When you actually write the letter, you don't have to make any box. Then we have to leave one line in between just to make differentiate different boxes, different contents. Then we have got this box, second box. This is the box for date, means date of writing. Here you will write the date. Then we come to this third box. This is the box for address of the receiver. This box or this address is very important. Then come to this box. Here we will write the subject, but that should be in brief, just a sentence or a few words. Then we come to this next box, and mind one thing, you have to leave one line here in between them. This box denotes a salutation. Salutation here refers to sir, madam, dear sir, dear madam, etc. But avoid writing respected madam and respected sir, because this is not in latest use these days. Now this is the format here, and this format is very important because when you get marks in the exam, you get a separate marking scheme for them. Then we start with the letter. This is the beginning of the letter. As you can see, these dotted lines show this is first paragraph showing the beginning of the letter. We have to make a particular beginning for every letter. This beginning should be introductory kind of beginning for a letter. Then we start with the main content, means here you will actually write the subject matter, what you want to say. This main content continues on page number 2. Here you can see the main content continues, and there you can write the subject matter. That means the main part of the letter where you are going to speak about your problem, your issue or anything, that will be in the paragraph 2. Then we come to paragraph 3, that is the ending or complimentary ending of a letter. A letter should be ended in a very congenial way, a kind of request or appeal, or you want to say anything that comments the nutshell of your letter. That means ending will be a different paragraph. Then come to this box here on the left side. This is the box for subscription. Students, try to understand subscription is also important because here you will write yours sincerely, yours truly, etc. And then beneath that you will write, put your sign, then you will write your name, and at last you will write your designation. You can write either name or designation, which one is given, but when both are given, name should be written and then the designation. For example, I say yours sincerely, then I will sign here, then I'll write my name Vikram Singh, then down to the bottom I will write PGT English. This is the format for writing a formal letter. In the next part, you will receive the actual letter through an example. By then, have a good day. Thank you.